Well, I'm outside today and I'm gonna do a little repair on this old wooden bike rack. Some of these things are just coming right off, so I'm gonna fix it. There's one missing, and yeah, there it is, but it's busted. I don't know. This isn't my place, it's just an apartment building, but I'm just gonna do this so I can hold my bike and my moped, and it's a real nice day, except for that sky looks pretty shitty and it's gonna rain, but yeah, I don't know. I have to find some stuff, and this whole thing's seen better days, so by rights the landlord probably should build a new one. I'd build a new one if they get the material, but anyway, see, she's kind of rotten, but it'll do probably for the little bit of time we get left for biking. Eventually I'll put it in the basement anyway, the old moped and that old thing, and my old bike, mountain bike that is. Yeah. So I'll see if I can find some material to maybe fix that. Maybe fix this one, and then there's one missing over here too at the end. See right there. So maybe I'll look around, see if I can find some material, and I'll get right back. Well, I wasn't able to find any pieces of wood that'll work. So just for the sake of getting this done before it starts raining, I'm gonna just nail this one back on, put a couple of nails maybe here and there, and just get her sturdied up a little bit so I can at least use it. Alrighty. Well, there's not a heck of a lot I can do to that, so I think I'll just start putting some bikes back and put the moped back and all that kind of stuff. And just get out of here before it starts raining. This lock, because things have been stolen a little too much around here, so I mean, this isn't gonna deter anybody. They bust that out of there easy enough, but they'll make a little noise and somebody might wake up. So I just put this lock on and I lock it up around the frame.
So, around 2 rungs, and it's just long enough. So I gotta put the camera down, lock her up.
Well, there we go. Moped's locked up. It'd be pretty easy to get her undone, but you know, it's better than nothing. Now, let's see. The neighbor's young fella's bike. I'll put it back. There's that. And my old bike. I used to lock up the mountain bike, but I don't bother anymore. I just set her there, screw it. People have stolen it 3 or 4 times. I always end up getting it back somehow or another. This old thing, shove her right in here. There's that. My son's bike, he just leaves it there because he drives it to his mom's place after school. Oh, this thing. Alrighty, this thing's a little bit of a bugger, so I'm going to put the camera down.
Tell right here, but see this old lock, old combination lock. I got it locked to the old chain from this thing, and I had it locked to that end piece of wood there. But then the piece of wood broke, so screw it. Yeah, I have to take this lock off, not right now, but later on. And let's see, where could I put it? I guess I could put it right there. It's not going to fit there, so I'll put it right next to the moped. So I'll take it like this.
And like I said, all this shit's going down the basement once I talk to the landlord about it. For sure the moped will be going down there, and most likely this thing. The bikes won't. I'll just leave the bikes up here because I still bike in the winter. So yeah, pretty near done. Let's see. Wagon, trailer, or whatever. Yeah, maybe I should clean this up a little bit. Yeah, good enough. Put the old mung tongue bike over here. That's good enough. All these stupid parts and those parts. Oh, these belong to the neighbors. Those can go. Those can go there. And the wheel. And the helmet. Still full of leaves. And water. Boy, is that wet. Okay, let's see. Oh, we'll put it there for now. Let's just sit there for the time being. Oh, gas can. All this shit here. Yeah. Well, we'll throw that stuff there. Tuck that in there for now. That ain't much good. I don't think that's any good. Toss that over here. Kept that because I was thinking about making a unicycle. But I don't know. Maybe. Throw that right there. And the neighbor's old bike. That looks a little better. Not much, but a little bit. At least there's no big shitload of leaves in there. The more moisture down there, the more likely it is that my friggin' moped tire is gonna get screwed over. So I thought it's about time I better get those out of there, because leaves hold in a whole shitload of moisture. Anyway, I think that's good enough for now. I'm gonna go up and get some brekkie.